Hello, all you gorgeous human beings. Welcome back to the Heather's channel. This is your girl Boomey B. I am here with another video, and of course it's one on hair. I want to get straight into this. This is the wig that I reviewed not too long ago, and I went out and of course I bust a check on this wig. That's why it looks like straight ass. So here in this video today, I am just going to be detangling and reviving these waves and making this look wearable to hit the streets once again. I'm probably gonna get no more than 1 or 2 wears out of it, but I want to get it how I live. And post this, I will probably be cutting this hair short. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Take a look, rewind back, look at this tragedy. Now let's hop into it. Coming up, here are going to be the list of things you need. So this first clip is just me showing you what the end game should look like. After you've gone through every step, used all your products, the hair should now look like this. Your comb should just breeze right through it. It's buttery, it's airy, it's wavy. Looking back like how it did when you first put that on your head. Now we're going to go step by step. I'm going to section off each part that I'm going to be detangling, and as I'm doing that, I'll be kind of pulling pieces apart, not so much finger combing, but just pulling them apart gently so that I can create the minimal amount of knots. So here is me getting my first section, doing exactly what I just said. Boom, there it is. All right, pull it together. All right, girl. All right. I'm going to continue from here, pulling each piece apart strand by strand along with finger combing until I feel like I've gotten the hair into a condition where it will give me the least amount of stress combing it out with the wide tooth and the Denman. So from here on, I'll be combing the ends out, start at the bottom, work my way up, and then I will hit the hair with the Denman brush. Not even too quick, sis. Hold up. I thought I had a friend. No, this hair had 1,000 upon 1,000 knots, so I spent quite a bit of time cutting through all of those. And just when I thought I got somewhere, here we are. Look at me struggling, trying to comb through these ends after I've cut through layers of knots. I've gone through this 1,001 times. Finger comb, Denman comb, wig brush, wide tooth comb. Here we still on the same set. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna say this was like a good 30 minutes on this one section that just could not get right. But I managed to make it happen. I managed to make it work at some point because the diligence. Now that I've called myself getting somewhere, making very minimal progress, aka low-key, lots of progress, I am just going to work my way through these ends all the way through to the top of the head. Also, quick tip, when working with any synthetic, especially kinky, curly, wavy, please start on dry hair. Whatever comb, brush you use, always make the first pass through on a dry head of hair. You will save yourself so much time and actually be restoring the wig to semi-original form. instead of creating more tangles down the line for yourself and more work. Shot. Look at her. Now that you can see, look at that thickness, look at that body, look at it. We are going to saturate this hair in some water. Look at fingers going straight through it. Saturate it. I want it to look like you got caught in the rain. I want it to look like you've been standing in a shower head. I want it to look like you walked into a room and got a bucket dumped on your head. I want your hair to be soaking wet. Then you're going to go in with whatever you're using to detangle, conditioning cream, spritz, whatever you use to detangle hair, just put that on it. I prefer this just for the smell. I have no allegiance. I'm not married to this. I just love the way it makes the hair smell. So I'm gonna run my fingers through this until I feel like I've gotten every strand. Then boom, look at me. Ooh, go ahead, child. Look at that. You saw who he was. Look who he at. If you like it, I love it, and I love it a lot. So here are the footnotes of going through every step again. Just imagine this hair was wicked and I combed through it crazy. Now I'm gonna go in, saturate it with water, and then put my detangler on it again, and then wash, rinse, repeat on the entire head of hair, and we are donezo. Once we've completed the whole head of hair, I go back in and wet it all again just to pump up those waves, get them back looking lustrous, looking wonderful. If you want to at this point, you can put a little bit of spritz or something that might hold your waves into place depending on what you're going to be doing after the fact. But check this out. Look at it. Look at it. It looked like there was no hope in this, but now look at us. Goldilocks. Oh, yes, yes, girl. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, sis. Hit him with the slow-mo. Oh, tips? On the tiptoes? Okay, cool. Now we ready to hit the block, hit the street, finish up the rest of this hot girl summer minus the cucumber. And there you have it. I have brought the hot girl back from the grave. I just want to say thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, if you loved, please hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe, hit that bell, join notification game, do all that, hold me down. As always, I love you guys. I will see you in my next video, and you be cool like how you be cool.